am at a very unique part of the Rogerson Clematis Garden at Lusher Farm, and I am in the Clematis Test Garden with Linda Butler. And Linda, this is cool. I think people don't kind of wander down here too much.
Right. Well, some of these clematis aren't particularly showy.
They're so cool though.
But they are very unique. And one of the things that we just talked about yesterday at our members only event is what's new in the test garden. And what's really new is some clematis native to the southwestern or southeastern United States that have been part of a big 10-year-long study, and these are going to be new species.
Ooh.
And I can't mention any names because they haven't been officially published yet.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. But this one, I actually know what its name is going to be.
And she won't tell us.
I won't tell you,
but it's a good secret keeper.
But I will say it's named after someone.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are really, really interesting clematis, and we really came to know them by their location where the seed was collected. So this was collected in the Coosa River watershed, which is Alabama, Tennessee, and then down into Georgia. Oh. We have one from Big Piney River, Arkansas. And so we just refer to them by the location where the seed was sent to us. But these were grown from wild collected seed. And what's really interesting about these is that the pollinator for this would be the ruby-throated hummingbird on the East Coast. And of course here, our hummingbirds go, oh, it smells great and it's tubular, we're all over it. So we actually can't save seed from these because the hummingbirds have been everywhere. So for this one in particular, we dug up a couple of our specimens, we divided it, we also took cuttings from it, and we are also keeping a stock plant in the greenhouse where the hummingbirds can't get.
Okay.
So we will have seed.
And tell us about the bees. The bees are just so unique for these plants.
I know, it's really funny. So hummingbirds, of course, have that bill, and they go right up to the nectar chamber, and they're sucking the nectar out of that. And then bumblebees are big, strong bees, and they muscle their way in past this absolute plug of stamens. The stamens are just packed in there. Now, the European honeybee can't do that because it's too little and weak. So what they've been doing, and I'm going to pick this, and then you guys can do a close-up, but you'll see where the hummingbird, or the bees, the European honeybees, have come in and actually pull the sepals apart. Now, they're not pollinating anything when they do that. They are circumventing their job, and they're getting in there and sucking the nectar out without crawling up through this very, very dense plug of stamens.
And there's something going on today. You have a plant sale, which we love plant sales,
right.
And this is the last one of the season.
Right. So our members had their members only event last evening. We did a happy hour kind of thing that involved a Zoom presentation about these plants. And then those who were local and here, when I was done with the Zoom presentation, we came down and did a social distance wander through the test garden. And then they got to shop early.
Oh, that's a good membership.
We have benefit. 4 members only events a year, one every quarter. And the members get to shop every time we do one of those. And in this case, they got in, early before our big end of the season sale.
Right.
But we have 2 clematis varieties on sale. We've got Mountaindale, which was sold out at Plant Nerd Night in February, and we have more of those. It's a beautiful, locally selected form of Clematis macropetala, and then we also have Bijou, which is a great little container clematis. I'm going like this because it flowers when it's this tall.
Cool.
It does climb, but it just never climbs very far. And it's great for containers. I've seen people use it for edging.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
So those 2 are on special for $15 each.
So you can watch the rest of the show because this is starting at 10 o'clock today. Come out to Lusher Farm in Lake Oswego and really kind of get your fill of clematis. The gardens are gorgeous. You might even see Linda around. There's people to answer all your questions. Please go to gardentime.tv and you can get all the information. Linda, so much fun. Thank you.
Oh yeah,
Exciting.
We're excited.